this tutorial, we will learn how to take our blood sample for the PlasticTox Microplastics blood test kit. Let's get started. Here we have our kit. Let's go and open it up and reveal the contents. Inside the box, you'll find a sleeve for the test card to go inside, a pre-stamped, pre-addressed envelope to send it back in, some lancets, bandages, a demographics card, alcohol prep, a spot blood card, and some information regarding the test kit, as well as some gauze. So what we're going to do is open up the gauze pad, and to take it out, stick it right on top. We're going to open up the alcohol prep. We'll take it and we will prep the finger that you want to draw the blood from. Take your gauze, go ahead and dry that off. Open up our lancet. As well as the Band-Aid. So we'll take our lancet. Now, for those who might be averse to seeing blood or think they might not be able to do this themselves, you're more than welcome to have a trusted friend or family member come and do this part for you. There will be a slight pinch. This is not entirely pain-free, but it is not anything that will be too much. So we're just going to go a quick in and out, massage the finger on our card. We'll open that up. All we need to do is fill that first spot with blood. And with enough massaging and squeezing, you will be able to fill up one spot on the blood spot card like this. When you're done, tuck the front cover in, fill out your name and the date of collection, and fill out the demographics card. Take the spot card and slide it into this smaller envelope, and along with the demographic card, you'll place it in the larger envelope that is already pre-addressed, pre-stamped. Ship that off to our laboratory, and within 30 days you will have your results to see just how much microplastics are floating around in your bloodstream.